Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I wanna like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Hello and welcome to peeling my face off. I can't wait to peel it off either, trust me. I'm gonna make a little hole. Oh, this is freaky. This is pulling out all my hair. I didn't even know that I was this hairy. This is pretty fun though. Oh my god. Oh. I'm just gonna chill in pain for a little bit. Okay, I'm having a little bit of fun with this. At least I'm getting a free waxing. I'm gonna have to pull. I'm gonna have to pull and like a band-aid. Like a band-aid. Okay. Oh my god, this actually got all my blackheads out. Damn, I highly recommend. Okay, let's tackle the forehead. And let's pray for my brows. Oh, I'm over this. The last bit. I'm gonna go wash myself now. I am officially done. In absolutely every meaning of that word. My skin is okay now, but I'm afraid that tomorrow is gonna be real bad. I hope you enjoyed the peel off and have an amazing rest of your day.
Take off my makeup with me, Cancer edition. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get rid of this Cancer sign. Let's get this moon. Let's say goodbye to Mr. Krabs. My face is really red. Can we get this white off of my eyeball? I have so much glitter in my mouth right now. I really don't want this to go in my eye. I don't know what to do. We love a blue hairline. I'm gonna go shower.
Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness.
Did she just peel her face off? I know I'm gonna absolutely ruin my face. But you and I both know I'm trying this. I got the latex right here. First we gotta glue down the brows. Okay, I guess. If I lose my brows, I swear to God. And now it's a time for the latex. I started to apply it. I feel like I shouldn't be doing it, but I might as well finish it. I have absolutely no comments. It smells like a foot. Now the makeup. contour. The brows are ugly. Okay, almost done. And this is the finished thing. And now let's peel it off. We're gonna start here. Oh my god. This is nasty. My whole face is in pain and you better like this video right now. This is the most disgusting I have ever felt. I'm so sorry you had to witness me go through this. It was fun, but we'll never do it again.
Take off my makeup with me, Orbeez edition. All the Orbeez are already sliding off. Don't ask me why I did this because I don't really have a good reason. I just like Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Let's get the nose up. Ooh, this feels so weird. Oh, it's in my mouth. My face really do be shiny though. It's literally in my ear. I wish I just had an Orbeez face all the time. Okay, let's get this side. Oh, it's down my neck too. Okay, well, now I have Orbeez everywhere and my face is really sticky, but thanks for watching. Follow for more. Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns, take off this choker, take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And this is what 100 layers of liquid lipstick looks like. Don't ask me why I did this. But now I'm gonna take it off. This took me like an hour. The first swipe. Why are my lips kind of numb? Get the teeth. Some cleansing balm. More. Now some cleanser. Some mouthwash. And now some Kiehl's lip balm. My lips only kind of feel like they're gonna fall off and I probably consumed enough lipstick to kill me. But this is how we're looking. Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower.
Girl, I've been waiting to take this off for too long. Let's do it. It's a little green. That's kind of suspicious. But it's supposed to get darker the next day or something like that. It's a little more pale than I thought it was gonna be. But I'm here for it. It looks pretty natural. I'm gonna put soft makeup on like I have somewhere to go, which I don't. And here it is. I really like it. I think it looks really cute. Look at this. Who is she? She got some sun. She was on vacation. She's fresh. Tell me, does it look good? Is it just me? I would definitely recommend henna for freckles.
Take off my makeup with me, Darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Got my makeup with me, googly eyes edition. I guess you could say all eyes are on me. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, my eyebrow. And the contacts are stuck. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. If I have to answer the door with this on my face, she's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching. It's a me. me, Mario, and we're gonna be taking off this makeup. So I actually have an event that I have to go to. Not only do I have to take this off, but I have to put more makeup on. Mario would slay harder though. Do I just wear this? Be honest. This looks crazy from far away. Well, hours of hard work, gone. I'm actually really sad about this. Let's take the mustache. That came off really easy. Goodbye, mustache. The mouth. I think this look turned out really cool. I haven't done any like illusion type makeup looks in a while, but I had a lot of fun doing it. More to come, so if you have ideas, let me know. And let's say goodbye to the eyeball. Look at his iris dripping down my face. Wipe away those tears. His little banana eyebrow. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I may be going blind. My contact has so much paint in it. My eyebrows have been through so much recently. Full-length video of how I did this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.